welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. As we put this time lapse in motion, just a few passing clouds, especially as we made our way through the early afternoon. But other than that, we had complete sunshine, spent all of the day dry as all of the moisture missed us off to the south. And here's a look at the high temperatures. We did reach 97 for a high in Scottsbluff, 92 your high at Gordon, Alliance, and Kimball, and mid-90s at Chadron and at Sydney. Here's a look at the current temperature. So the drier air mass will cool down pretty quickly. So temperatures tonight are a lot cooler compared to about 24 hours ago. We're at 70 at Scottsbluff, lower 70s, Torrington, Bridgeport, Oshkosh, 66 at Gordon, 72 right now at Chadron. Here's a look at the winds, still from a northerly or even a northeasterly direction. Winds pretty light, 0 to 10 miles per hour depending on where you are. So even with that northerly wind, we still warmed up pretty nicely because this is a nice dry air mass, and that dry air does warm up and cool down pretty quickly. So we also have clear skies out there, so nothing to trap in the heat, no clouds really across the region. So temperatures are going to fall a little more as we make our way through the overnight. Here's a look at the satellite loop. So this high pressure system is in charge of our forecast. We were on its cool side, and cool is a relative term, as these systems made their way out to the east. But we're going to be back in the warm air. We got a nice warm air mass in the upper atmosphere. You can see the southerly winds across most of the country right now, and that's going to be the story for us as this high moves off to the east. So here's a look at the jet stream now. A little bit of a dip in it, a little cooler over the northern plains, but most of the rest of the country has been hot. Now this cool air will move into the northeast over the next couple of days, and with it, to round out the work week, that jet stream is going to be back into Canada, so we have a very strong southerly wind. The hot air will continue from here all the way to the states that border the Pacific Ocean. So temperatures 10 to 15 degrees above average. That puts us over 100 on a few of the next 7 days. So average high around 91 this time of year. So making our way through the evening, temperatures quickly falling back through the 60s, some lows into the upper 50s, partly cloudy to mostly clear overnight, and then clear skies as we go through the day tomorrow. High temperatures into the upper 90s to near 100. Should stay mainly dry through the entirety of the day once again, and then as we make our way through the day on Thursday, starting off into the mid-60s for most of us. High temperatures on Thursday, back into the upper 90s to near 100. You can see on this, there is a very slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms, especially into our eastern counties, but most of us will stay dry for Thursday. We think most of the moisture is going to be from like Hastings and points off to the east. So most of the western portion of the state is going to stay dry all the way until the weekend. So the cool high works its way away from us. There's that warm front. Not a lot with the warm front, as I said, but this very strong high will get us into a very big warm sector to approach the weekend. Then this cold front makes its way through. So that will increase the chances of moisture. Next 3 days, lots of sunshine, highs near 100. Then temperatures falling over the weekend, mid-90s, turning to upper 80s. We'll keep partly cloudy skies, a chance of some showers and storms into the afternoon and evening. Same thing for Monday and Tuesday with highs near 90. Angel